everyone, Kian here. Ano kaya mangyayari kapag walang away, walang gulo, walang lamangan, walang misunderstanding, everything is in perfect harmony? Now, tayo mga tao, we have the free will. We have our choice. Pero, what choice will you make? The choice to make a difference or the choice to make everything worse? Marami sa atin, iniisip natin kailan kaya magiging maayos yung mundo. But in reality, kahit gustong naman natin yan, maaring hindi ganun kadali. At hirap gawin kasi maraming pwedeng maging kontra sa gusto mong gawin. Siguro mangyari yan, wala na tayo sa mundo, diba? But does not mean na hindi na tayo gagawa ng spearhead na malaking change dito sa mundo. So, hindi porket hindi siya pagkatamasa, hindi mo na siya pipiliin. Again, we have a choice. We don't wait for the world to change for us. So, what we can do is, we can change ourselves for the world. Imagine, the billion people will be kind to each one another, will be understanding, respectful, will be loving one another. So, imagine what kind of world that we want to live in if the people live in that world is having that kindness. Diba napaka-super ganda? Again, we are reminded that in order for this world to be kind to you, you need to be kind to other people first. Meaning, umpisahan mo sa sarili mo hanggang sa maka-inspire ka ng ibang tao. And later on, sila din, ganun din ang gagawin. And imagine, if the 7 billion people in the world will think the same. I don't want to wait for the world to change for me. Instead, I will change myself for the world. If all 7 billion people, napakaganda na naging outcome kapag andun yung kindness. And again, we are reminded, do not wait for the world to be kind to you. You need to be kind to the world first, so that it can do the same for you. Don't throw hate towards one another. Don't throw anger, resentment, lahat ng mga negative feelings. Just be kind to people. Hindi mo natin alam kung anong pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa, or we have to give empathize to them. We need to be kind to one another, respectful to one another, and loving one another. Thank you everyone, and God bless.